every gardener has a story about how they got interested in gardening originally, and I'm no different. Growing up in rural Creek County, I enjoyed playing outside. And in fact, being in rural farm area, I enjoyed exploring the ponds and the creeks with my brother because honestly, that was just the coolest place to be in August. Now, what really fascinated me is as I started looking at the shallow water areas, seeing the tadpoles and frogs and the dragonflies dance along the surface of the water. When I was about 10 years old, I convinced my dad to move an old steel bathtub that we had in the barn out into the backyard, and I started filling it up with water and plants that I found growing around those farm ponds. And so this past winter, when we started thinking about our Oklahoma gardening backyard garden contest, I thought, what better thing to feature than the water garden? We are announcing our Oklahoma backyard contest for 2023, and we want to see your water gardens. We would like for you to enter those entries between now and April 30th. And you can do so by emailing 5 to 10 photos along with a short description of your water garden. Now, of course, it's very early in the season and most water gardens are still just waking up. So if you have older photos that still are a good representation of your water garden, feel free to use and send those photos also. In May, we will post some of those top entries onto our Facebook page where you, the audience, will be able to vote on which water gardens we go visit. Then we'll schedule with the homeowners to go visit those water gardens and shoot a special episode of Oklahoma Gardening that will air later this season. So when the heat cranks up this summer, I hope to be able to come visit your water garden. So get those entries in by April 30th.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.